Black Friday 2024 isn't for another week, but almost everywhere, including Amazon, has already started their sales, so we're doing this now. Just like all other big sale days, there are a lot of great deals to be had, but it's also extremely common for companies to artificially inflate their normal prices before these sales, so it looks like you're getting a good deal when you actually aren't. And unfortunately, tracker sites that use the Amazon API, like Camel, can't see promo codes or coupons, so their data is pretty inaccurate. To combat that, my wife manually tracks the prices every single day for over 100 products that I've recommended, so we can separate the real deals from the fake ones. And I'm going to cover the biggest deals so far in this video, but I've got a link to the full price tracker down in the description. First up are the robotic vacuums, and DreamTech keeps lowering the price of the L10S Ultra, which is not only at its all-time low price of $399, but it also has an offer to get their $50 tangle-free tri-cut brush for free, which makes this great deal on the robotic vacuum and mop that I'd recommend for most people even crazier. If you're looking for the absolute top-of-the-line mopping performance, the Eufy S1 Pro is the vacuum that I personally use for my mostly hardwood first floor, and it's currently at its lowest price ever at $999. And the vacuum and mop that I use for my second floor, the Robotic S8 Max V Ultra with the self-drainage system, is also 35% off at $11.99, and I'm not exaggerating when I say that all that I've done since installing it last May is change its dust bag one time, and it cleans 5 days a week, so it is almost completely hands-off. Unfortunately, the budget vacuums didn't get any huge sales, and my top pick, the Robotic Q5 Max, is still $299, which is the same as all the other big deal days, and the DreamTech D10 Plus is $259, which again isn't bad at all, but it's the same deal that we see a few times a year. For projectors, the ultra short throw Nexago Aurora Pro, which has been my top pick for the best darkroom performance for the last 2 years, is at its lowest price ever at $2149, and the Epson LS650, which was this year's pick for bright room performance, is 17% off at $17.99. For standard throw projectors, JMGO and XGME have some really good deals, but the Valerian Kickstarter is definitely still the best value before it ends in 2 days. For budget projectors, the Haprun and Vanvo that performed so well in yesterday's video are both about 30% off for Black Friday, and the brightest budget projector, the Groview JQ818C, is $99, which is a good deal, but it's become a pretty common price. For Dashcams, my top pick is the Vantrue N4 Pro, and it's currently $14 less than its previous low price at $266, and the Viofo A139 Pro is also on sale at its lowest price ever at $266. For security cameras, my top pick for the best all-around camera is the Empire Tech 5842 ZE-S3, and it's $5 less than it's ever been, and almost everything from Reolink is discounted, but pretty much to the same price that we see on the rest of the big deal days. For smart home stuff, the Aqara U100 Smart Lock is my top choice, and it's at its lowest price ever at $130, and basically everything that Govee sells is on Black Friday sale at or below their lowest prices ever. With everything starting so soon, I'm not sure if more deals are going to start popping up as we get closer to Black Friday, but we're going to continue to track those prices, and I've got links for both the full price tracker and a special Black Friday spreadsheet in the description, and if you're subscribed, I'll be shooting out community messages if we find any particularly crazy deals. I've also got individual links for everything in this video down in the description, and as always, I appreciate when you use those links, since as an Amazon affiliate, I do earn a small commission on the sale at no cost to you. As always, I hope this was helpful. Happy holidays, and thanks for watching The Hookup.